What's going on, guys? Firewolf Tech here, showing you guys how to install a tempered glass screen protector for your 15 Pro Max. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly how to do that. Now, the glass screen protector that I have in this video is gonna be the ZAGG Glass XTR3, which for me personally is one of the best screen protectors that you can get for your 15 Pro Max. So with any screen protectors that you guys purchase, hopefully you get one that has an installation frame like this one does. What I like about ZAGG is that they offer a lifetime warranty in case your screen protector ever gets damaged or cracked. Now, this tutorial is going to be very similar for mostly any screen protectors that are out there, but when you purchase one, you want to make sure they give you a nice microfiber cloth, some type of alcohol prep pad, a dust removal sticker, and this one comes with an easy installation tray. And to be very honest, this makes it very easy to install it to ensure that the screen is fully aligned perfectly. So I highly recommend picking one that comes with one of these trays for smooth and easy installation. And here's the tempered glass screen protector for the 15 Pro Max. And what I like about the XTR3 is that this one is very thick and it feels really solid. You only get one, and the price of this is very expensive, but this is definitely one of the best that you can get. Alright, so before we start installing the screen protector, we want to make sure that we first power off our 15 Pro Max. That way you're not getting distracted and you can see what's on top of the screen. Next thing you want to do is you want to take the alcohol prep pad. And the ones that come with this one is very moist, which is really good. And then you're going to pass it on top of the screen. And this ensures that the phone is fully cleared of any oil, debris, or fingerprints. Then we're going to take our microfiber cloth. We're going to wipe off that residue. Alright, and you want to make sure that your screen is perfectly clear from any lint or any dirt or anything like that. So to ensure that, you're going to use the included dust removal sticker. And you're going to apply it on top of the phone. And this is a step that you want to take your most time with because you don't want any lint to be trapped underneath. But I will show you exactly how to remove it in case you ever find yourself seeing a piece of lint underneath the screen. Next thing you do, you're going to take your installation tray and you're going to locate the top. And this one has a top indicator right over here. So we're going to line up the 15 Pro Max on the installation tray. And this one fits nice and snug, as you can see right over here. Next, you're going to take the glass screen protector and you're going to remove the step number 1, which is going to reveal the adhesive side. I like to put the screen protector upside down as I'm peeling this out, so that way I don't have any lints that might get trapped on top of the screen. And then I'm going to grab these little tabs right over here, and these have holes, as you can see from the top and the bottom, and we're just going to line it up with the installation tray itself. So you want to be nice and careful. Alright, so you can see here the holes are nicely aligned, ensuring that your screen protector is aligned perfectly. And now we're going to take the microfiber cloth and we're going to apply pressure. Sometimes when you put it on top, it might start to self-adhere, but we're going to assist it using a microfiber cloth. And what I like to do is apply pressure from the middle and kind of do a nice swipe from the left or right. I like to start with the left. You want to apply even pressure so you minimize the amount of bubbles that you might get. So starting from the middle, apply pressure and pushing to the left. And same thing over here. Alright, and once you're done, you go ahead and peel off the top piece. Take off the installation tray. And then go ahead and examine your screen. So right, you can see here I have some bubbles on here and here. So what I like to do is grab the microfiber cloth and apply pressure just to air out those little bubbles on the side and the bottom. Alright, so let's say you get a lint trapped underneath, and upon closer inspection there is a little piece of lint right over there. Now it's up to you whether you want to remove that if it really bothers you, but if you're striving for perfection, you're gonna go ahead and grab your dust removal sticker again. Sometimes you might get multiple one of these, and you're gonna basically choose the corner that's closest to the lens. So it's gonna be this little corner over here. So I'm just gonna rotate the phone. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift this up with my fingernail on the corner piece, gently lift it up. Put the sticker right underneath with the adhesive side facing on top. You basically want to kind of cover the lens, apply a little bit of pressure here, and then pull out the sticker, and that should take off the lint. Now that should take off the lint, so it did for me. So that's now a nice clean installation. And again, it's up to you if you want to do that step. So let's go ahead and power on the phone here and test out the sensitivity of the screen protector. All right, now that the phone is powered on, let's go ahead and test out the smoothness. And this screen protector feels super smooth. Let's test out the pinch to zoom. Same thing here. And what I like about the Glass XTR3 is that this screen protector is on the thick side, which provides extra protection. And another good thing about this screen protector is that this screen protector does not cover the whole front of the phone here. It leaves just enough space in between to allow multiple cases to fit perfectly. Because if you have a screen protector that covers the whole front of the screen, then depending on the case that you use, it might end up lifting the screen protector and not working at all, and you don't want that at all. Unless if you're planning on not using a case, and you might not really have to worry about that, but I would definitely recommend using a case with this as well. And for me personally, the way the screen protector feels as I'm gliding my finger across the screen feels so much better than the original screen from the 15 Pro Max. And that's just me personally. I just always preferred how a screen protector feels, and having the assurance that your screen protector is going to protect your screen is a huge plus. Now this screen protector is really pricey at $60, but you do have to put in perspective that your 15 Pro Max starts at $1,200 or more depending on your storage size. And what makes this screen protector better than most is that they formulate it to be super strong. You can see here that it's 10 times stronger than their most advanced tempered glass. And I can only imagine how much stronger this is going to be with other cheaper screen protectors out there. But this does come with a blue light filtration. It also enhances the color vibrancy, and it does come with that easy application tray, ensuring that you have a smooth installation. And you're also backed by their limited lifetime warranty. And they also have that advanced impact technology, which is their shock absorbing Hexion technology. And I think that's what makes this screen protector very pricey. Now they also have cheaper alternatives as well, so also we'll link that in the description box below in case you want something that's more cost effective. But if you want the best screen protector, then the Glass XTR3 is it. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys.